These 11 AI-based businesses can make you rich in 2025. But only if you start before it's too late. AI isn't coming. It's already here, and it's changing everything. Here are 11 smart ways to turn AI into income. 1. AI web design. Build stunning websites in minutes with AI tools, no coding required. 2. AI article writing. Use AI to write blogs, scripts, and content for businesses and influencers. 3. Marketing agency for AI. Help companies market their AI tools. The demand is exploding. 4. AI video editing. Create viral videos fast with tools like Runway, Pika, and Descript. 5. AI content creator. Turn ideas into content. Faster, smarter, and at scale. 6. AI theme page automation. Grow niche Instagram and TikTok pages automatically. 7. Private tuitions with AI. Combine teaching skills with AI tools to tutor smarter and earn more. 8. AI app developer. Use AI to build apps quickly, even with minimal coding experience. 9. Coding AI. Pair your dev skills with AI to build and launch faster than ever. 10. AI agents. Build smart bots that can handle sales, support, and scheduling. 11. AI dubbing. Use AI to translate and dub content for creators around the world. AI is not just the future, it's the present. Those who learn to use it today will lead tomorrow. Start now. Build the business of the future before the world catches up.